Hey y'all, and welcome to Soulsome Foodie. Today I'm going to show you how I make these deviled eggs. They are high protein, low carb, and super versatile, and most importantly, really easy to recreate. Stay tuned. Here we have the star of the show, some hard-boiled eggs. I like to boil my eggs for about 10 to 11 minutes for the perfect inside. So here I am just showing how I cut the egg open, and the task now is just going to be to remove the egg yolk from the egg and put it into a side bowl. And I'm going to go ahead and show you how I do one more. Again, you're going to try to remove all of the yolk from your eggs. Alright, for the filling you will need your egg yolks, mayo, mustard, garlic powder, which is optional, lemon juice, and relish, as well as salt and pepper to taste. Here I am just mashing up the yolks until they are mashed pretty fine before I add in the rest of my ingredients. I do like my filling to be a little bit on the chunky side, so you'll see that here, but you can make it as smooth or as chunky as you like. I've also added some salt and pepper to that mixture. I'm just going to go ahead and incorporate it all together. Alright, now that my filling is the texture and taste that I enjoy, I'm going to go ahead and put it into a Ziploc bag. And as I do this, I'm going to be focused in on placing the mixture into one corner of the bag. And you'll see why that makes sense in just a second. I'm going to make sure I leave a little air bubble right here. Alright, now it's time to get filling. I am going to go ahead and cut this corner that I left open right here. And now I'm just going to squeeze the bag to get my mixture into each of these egg whites. This is a nice trick to make sure the presentation looks great. It keeps it nice and neat and looking good, and it's super easy to do. So I'm just going to go ahead and continue filling until they're all done. Alright, here's how they look when they're all filled. Now, these are just fine, just the way they are like this, as is, or you can sprinkle some paprika and a little bit of parsley on top, call it a day. But I wanted to make mine a little colorful and fun and also add some more veggies. So here you'll see me just adding some sweet bell peppers on top. I'm going to also add some bacon to the top of mine. And again, feel free to use any toppings that you enjoy. I'm just finishing mine off with a little smoked paprika as well as some parsley, and voila, this is it. They are so delicious, really tasty. They'll be gone in minutes, literally a crowd pleaser. So I hope you enjoyed this recipe, and I hope you try this recipe. Thank you so much again for watching. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.